Okay, what is up? We're back inside the Type R again. I'm filming with my iPhone, so I don't know how the quality is. We're gonna be doing something a little different today. We're gonna do some electronic unboxing, and we're gonna swap out my phone mount. But I currently have the NICU base plate with the Pro Clip phone holder. It's my current setup right now. So the NICU dash mount with the Pro Clip cell phone holder. I'm gonna swap this out to what I have up here. Finally got my order. Mobile by Peak Design. So basically Peak Design is primarily a camera focused company that now have expanded their line into the mobile platform. I jumped on their Kickstarter and I got these four things. I got the mobile tripod you see here, the universal adapter, creator kit, and what this video is focused on today is the car mount. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing, kinda, not really, to show you all these mounts that I got. So this here is the universal adapter. This is primarily used for if you don't want to buy their phone case. Their phone case has their version of the MagSafe built into the phone case. But I didn't want to get their phone case because I don't know when I'll be switching phones. Right now I have the iPhone 12 Pro and I don't know when or if I'll be switching to the 13. So I wanted just to get the universal mount right now. So this is the universal mount. It's pretty thin. This has built-in magnets and this is a hard lock section. So for pieces like the creator kit, or if you go with like the motorcycle mount, bike mount, they'll actually clip into here so they won't fall out. But primarily it's a combination of two things, the clip and the magnets. So next up is the mobile tripod. So the mobile tripod is pretty much what it is. It's a mobile tripod. It's magnetic to the back of the phone with the either the Peak Design phone case or the Peak Design universal adapter. Comes in a little baggie so you can protect it. And this right here, this is the tripod mount. So it has this anti-slip backing, and then so you can have it, it'll be connected to your phone, and then you could have it sit like that, have your phone like this, or as meant to be, a tripod. It's pretty cool, you know. Figured I'd pick it up, and I'll show you what this looks like on the phone as well. The creator kit. So the creator kit is to be used for your phone when it's mounted to a tripod, but also if you have the Peak Design capture clip. So the capture clip you hook up to your belt, a backpack strap, any type of strap, pretty much can lock your phone into there. How I would imagine this creator kit being used is right here in the back. You see it has the capture clips there on the backpack. This slides into the capture clip and then hold your phone. So you can do like a first person point of view type deal. This is the creator kit. And you can see this has the hard lock mount, which locks into the Peak Design universal adapter or the Peak Design phone case. So it'll clip in and actually, even though this has magnets on there, it'll lock it in so it won't go anywhere. So this is the mount for the capture clip, the Peak Design capture clip, and it also comes with an adapter, kind of like a GoPro mount, but it's for the tripod. And the last thing, and what we're doing today, is a car mount. Peak Design offers this in two different versions. This is just the magnetic dash version. They do have a version that wirelessly charges, which is what I selected first in the Kickstarter, but I chose not to go that route because in the Civic, it's wired CarPlay, it's not wireless CarPlay. So I gotta plug the phone anyways. When I plug the phone, it charges. So there's no point of me getting the charger phone mount when I'm not even gonna use it. I swapped it out and I got the regular car mount from Peak Design. This is what it is. I know this is gonna get nasty over time because of its rubber thing. I wonder if I can clean this. But you pretty much have a ball joint. The neck kind of bends a little, but it's pretty stiff. I doubt this is gonna go anywhere. So you can angle it, twist it, however you wish. It has the 3M double-sided tape, so you can hook this onto your dash, anywhere that you can stick your phone. This mount does have some bends in it, but it's pretty pliable, where if you need to mount it to a completely flat surface, it will flatten out. This is what we're gonna be doing today into the car. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to remove the wings of the center console. I have to remove this climate control so I can remove this mount. The reason I have to remove it is because I screwed the Pro clip to the NICU dash mount, and I can't access all the screws with it still being mounted, so I have to remove the whole thing completely. I already made a video of me installing this, so if you need to know how to remove all this stuff, I'll leave that link down below. Okay, so I removed the wings, the center console wings. I removed the AC controls, and now I just need to access, where is that? That screw right there. That one screw that holds the whole mount together. Then I can unscrew the Pro clip mount and then put everything back together and install that thing. I got the Pro clip unmounted. This is the NICU phone mount. So now what I've got to do is stick this bad boy onto there. All right, there we have it. It's all mounted. I know there's exposed holes. I was thinking about some way to not have that show, but it's all right. So let me mount this on and then put everything back together. And there we have it. Everything's put back together. Climate control, dash wings, and this is how it's mounted. Okay, so first off, sitting in the passenger seat, that is not the prettiest thing in the world. But I am not sitting passenger, so I'm fine. I think when you're sitting in the driver, it looks a lot better. Now I'm gonna switch over to the other side and show you how this works. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up on this hybrid video. We got some tech and cars involved, and I'm also switching between my iPhone camera and the Sony ZV1, so which could explain why the clips are looking a little different. Peace.